Good morning. Okay, Helen, this is the next day. My soup has been cooking for 24 hours. I already strained it. I took out all the junk through a screen, and then what I did was I put them all in these little containers. This is all I got, actually, was seven meals. But actually, this meal, one of these is going to be good for a meal and then for me to have lunch tomorrow. So I just put pepper on it. I have already salted it. And here's the chicken that I took out the day before. This chicken only cooked an hour when I took it off the bones. So I put the chicken in. I've already salted it very lightly because we don't use a lot of salt. And I put pepper on it. And this is how, I take it out when I freeze it, and then I put some kind of vegetable in it. And then that's our chicken broth and our dinner and my lunch the next day. So I just want to show you that. Bye.